Hi, after naming your feeling, observing your thoughts, pausing before reacting, and seeing or checking in where does the stress sits in your body. Today we're going to take the next step. We'll go a little more deeper and learn to release the control so that you free yourself from stress. Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa Shetty here speaking from my clinic called Sakhyam. The mission of Sakhyam is well-being of all. Half of your stress is not because life is hard. It is because you're trying to control that which were never under your control. People, opinion, timing, outcomes, you hold on to them so tightly that that grip becomes your stress. Let me explain this with few examples. So let me give you an example which happens to me in my clinic every day. You do some blood test, the reports are normal, but you still think, what if I miss something? You try to check more symptoms in your body, finding evidence to your belief system that something is wrong. You Google, you overthink. Result, you end up in health anxiety. Tell me one thing, can you control any possibility in the future? No. What you can control is your lifestyle, your food habits, your sleep, your follow-ups. Everything else is fear trying to act as control. Second example. Your child is trying to make a decision which you don't agree upon. You try to support, you try to explain, you try to guide, you try to repeat. Still, they choose their path. Ask yourself, can you control their choices? No. What you can control is your support, your guidance, your response. The moment you release this control, the relationship breathes. Third, you planned your day at your work perfectly. But when you go and you start your day, nothing happens as expected. All the timings are wrong. You feel irritated and frustrated. Can you control what can happen in a day? Or can you control any outcomes? No. What you can control is your preparation, your presence, your responses. Rest all needs flexibility, not a control. So, stress does not come from situation. It comes from resistance. The moment you realize what you can control, what you cannot control, that space is what will lead to peace. The space between these two is peace. So, for you to really realize this, you need to sit with yourself. So let's do this mind gym exercise. Today, try and write down what is stressing you. Then ask yourself, can you control this? If the answer is yes, then act immediately. Simply act, don't overthink. If the answer is no, then release. Don't ignore, just release. The moment you release, that's when you realize the peace out there. Write down today, what are you going to let go? Write in the comment section, what is that one thing that you're going to release or let go? Awareness increases and grows when you express. Peace does not happen by fixing everything. It begins when you stop holding everything. Also, let go does not mean you don't care. It means that you care about your peace more. Just say to yourself, I am going to choose peace over control. Hope this video has added some value to your life. Do write in the comment section what are you going to let go of today. Thank you. See you again.